Alright, here we have a 2015 Ram 2500 with a 6.7 Cummins diesel. It's an automatic transmission. It is a crew cab, short bed, 4-wheel drive. The exhaust has been deleted off this truck, so it doesn't have the DPF or the DEF. No exhaust fluids. It does have a 5-position switch near the driver's feet. This truck has a gooseneck ball on the bed. Brand new Firestone Transforce HTs all the way around. Let's look inside. This truck seats 6. Very clean inside. Backup sensors, 2-inch receiver. $148,000 miles. This truck came from Louisiana. Four-wheel drive on the floor. It's got the exhaust brake, the trailer box, as well as traction control, tow haul, and your parking sensors there. Let's hear it run. Look under the hood. This truck just got a bath. It does still have the EGR system on it, but it does not have the DEF. You can find this vehicle and many more on our website at 688auto.com. Thanks for looking.